In this video, we're going to go over how you can get Canva Pro for free here in 2025 and onwards using legit methods. There's a few different legit ways that you can actually do this without using any hacks, any scams. But before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into the first method. Now to begin, if you go to canva.com/pro, you'll have the option to start a Canva Pro free trial. This is a 30-day free trial that you can go ahead and use to try out Canva Pro. You just have to sign up with your Google account, your email, or even your work email, and you'll instantly get full Pro access for 1 month. Now you can constantly keep creating new accounts if you would like, and just allowing the previous account to edit your current ones if you want to stay on the exact same account and continue to get the benefits of the Pro Canva. But don't worry, that's not it. If you are a teacher or a student, you may be eligible for free Canva Pro through the Canva for Education. Simply go to canva.com/education and apply with your school email or documents. Once you're verified, you'll get Pro features for completely free. I definitely recommend doing this if you are in college because that's an easy way to get some free access. Once again, though, there is more. Canva for nonprofits actually gives lifetime access to any verified nonprofit organization. Just simply head to canva.com/nonprofits and register your nonprofit. Once you're approved, you'll unlock Canva Pro for free for your entire team. It's absolutely awesome. Now, even if you don't qualify for any of the previously mentioned ways to get Canva Pro for free, Canva actually does run bundle or team promotions where the cost per user actually drops significantly, and that's a way to at least get it for cheaper if you don't qualify for any of our previous methods. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. These are all these safe, legit, and permanent ways to get Canva Pro for free or at a discount. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and let us know down in the comments below if you do have any questions and we can help you out further. I hope to see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace.